Hey everybody, how's it going? I had a few questions about the little intake manifold hoses here, and okay everybody, this is the map sensor right here on your intake manifold. A little screw holding on. Right underneath it there's a little tiny vacuum hose right here. This connector right here goes bad and wreaks a lot of havoc with your car. Okay, this one, these things get old, they crack, and they wreak a lot of havoc. They can make your car do all kinds of crazy stuff, and you're like, oh my gosh, it's just this little connector. These hoses are so cheap, I replaced all three of mine when I did them. Here's the other connector on the other side that goes with this hose that goes to the map sensor right here. Then here is the main intake manifold hose. And this little connector rotted off too. And then, yeah, had to go get that one. Had problems. And then, so I just went ahead and I replaced the fuel regulator one too. Because if them two are going to crack, these are going to crack. So, let me see. This one goes down to a connection down there. And so does this one, I think, goes to the evap. I'm not really sure. Yeah, it's been a while since I replaced them. But just follow them where they go. And just be really careful pushing them back on, and it's pretty dang easy. It'll save you a lot of headache, everybody. I'm going to try to start making some new videos, and, alright. Start it up, Bri. Listen to my baby purr. Hey, everybody. Keep driving them Avios. I'll be back soon.